Well, good morning from another moto camp, but this one's a little bit special. This is introducing my new style of moto camping. A little bit more challenging, but we're gonna get into that. Take that. Good boy. Little bit of off-roading with the dog. Whew. Sandy shit. Not fun for the dog in all this weight. I know you hear the birds. Dude, come get your water. Hey. So, DJ is doing way better than I thought. Probably better than me, worrying about him. Hi, buddy. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Peeing on everything. So. Oh, you're such a good boy, Deej. You're a good boy. You having fun? Yeah, you wanna go see Abbers? Wanna go see Abbers and Luna and Winnie and Squad? Wanna say hi to Abbers? Wanna go see Abby? Okay, we'll go. Gotta get back on the bike, buddy, okay? Well, I'm ashamed to admit, but of course the cameras were off because I was just trying to get to the top of this hill and I was going to launch the drone, turn all the cameras on. But just had our first spill with the dog on. Right here. Before you freak out, he is totally fine. He's not even phased, but I sure am. But this hill was a lot steeper and really loose than I expected. Poor Deej. You okay, Bubba? Come here. You doing good? Come here, bud. You okay? That scare you? think it scared me more. He was held in by his harness, but he was under it a little bit. Ah. Shit. Oh, DJ! Ah. This is what happens when you leave your dog for 2 seconds. Oh, God. Deej, you can't do that, dude. That's not how you get off. Come on. Come on, bud. Let's go. Look at this beautiful view. What's up, Deej? What do you think, Deej? DJ's first moto camp. We made it. And he's checking out the surroundings. What do you think, Deej? Stay. Come here, bud. DJ, come. So we got a couple things that we don't usually have here. Trying out a new item. This goes between the trees and to his leash. So we're gonna hook that up real quick. And something else that I normally don't bring. And it's the puppy. Well, not only the puppy, but the puppy blanket. Alright, lay down. Good boy. Do you like camping? Do you like camping, Deej? Good boy. Such a good boy. So just set up the bed, and Deej was inside helping me. And look at him, he's being such a good boy. Such a good boy, Deej. You getting tired? Yeah, me too. Good boy. You like camping? Say, I scared the deer away. Good boy, good. Just grab that in and lay down. Good boy. So Deej has just been sitting here while I pack up. What do you think, Deej? Did you have fun camping? Scared off the deer? Huh, Deej? Had 2 wrecks. One I was on the bike, one I was off. But you did good. Just had a lot of treats. But what a good boy. Starting to boil. Not too shabby. Nice little black mark on the nose, but anyway, cheers. So far it's been good. A couple wrecks. Well, 1 wreck. 1 bike tip over with the dog on it, not me on it. Chasing the drone. And either the sand ate him or he tried to get off. Deej, have you had fun, buddy? What do you think? You like camping? I think we wore him out. Anyway, cheers. More videos to come as I learn how to camp with your best buddy. Well, my best buddy, but help you learn the same thing. Thanks for sticking around, and until next time. Love you, Deej.